Hello, welcome po sa webinar natin ngayon in which I will discuss to you how to compute or check your annual income tax payable using the January 1, 2018 to December 31st, 2022 rates versus the January 1, 2023 new lower annual income tax rates. So, titingnan natin kung magkano yung tax savings, magkano yung ibinaba sa income tax ngayong 2023. So this is for individual business owners, employers, and employees. Hello business owners, employers, and employees. I will discuss to you how to compute or check your annual income tax payable using the January 1, 2018 to December 31st, 2022 rates versus the January 1, 2023 new sa income tax lower rate. Titingnan natin kung magkano yung tax savings or magkano yung ibinaba sa income tax ngayong 2023. So, first, i-discuss ko sa inyo yung income tax rates effective January 1, 2023 versus January 1, 2018 to December 31st, 2022 rates. So, mapapansin nyo yung not over 250,000, zero yung tax pareho. Yung not over 250,000 ngayon, starting January 2023, zero rin. So, ang nagbago lang is yung 250,000 but not over 400,000. So, merong 20% yung excess of over 250,000. 20% yung dati, previous rate. So, yung new rate ngayon is 15% na lang. Nag-reduce siya ng 5%. So, yung over 400,000 but not over 800,000, before meron siyang 30,000 pesos na fixed amount na income tax plus 25% in excess of 400,000. So ngayon bumaba na. 22,500 na lang yung fixed amount plus 20% instead of 25%. So bumaba ulit ng 5% yung excess of 400,000. So dito sa level 3, yung over 800,000 but not over 2 million, before merong 130,000 na fixed amount, then may additional na 30% of the excess over 800,000. Ngayon, yung new rate starting January 1, 2023, bumaba na siya from 130,000, 102,500 na lang yung fixed amount, then yung excess of 800,000, 25% na lang instead of 30%. So yung over 2 million but not over 8 million, before merong 490,000 na fixed amount na income tax payable plus 32% in excess of 2 million. So ngayon, from 490,000 fixed amount, naging 402,500 plus 30% na lang of the excess of over 2 million compared to 32%. So, bumaba ng 2%. So, yung over 8 million before, yung rate is nirong fixed amount na 2,410,000 plus 35% in excess of over 8 million. Ngayon, starting January 1, 2023, bumaba na siya ng 2,202,500 plus the same rate, 35% in excess of over 8. To summarize, yung individuals with annual taxable income below 250,000 still exempt from paying personal income taxes. So pareho lang, yung old rates at saka yung new rate. Parehong exempted yung 250,000. So the revised tax schedule beginning January 1, 2023 reduces the personal income taxes by 5%. For those earning over 250,000 but not over 2 million, and reduced by 2% for those earning above 2 million but not over 8 million, compared to the initial tax cuts for January 1, 2018 to December 31st, 2020. And then the tax rate for individuals earning 8 million and above annually maintained at 35%. So, bago ko i-discuss yung, meron akong ginawang income tax calculator for comparison between 2022 and 2023 rates para malaman natin kung magkano yung tax savings or magkano yung ibinaba. I-discuss ko muna sa inyo yung paano pag-compute ng taxable income galing sa salaries o salaried employees. Kasi itong individual income tax rate na to, applicable to sa mga empleyado or individual business owners, self-employed individuals or self-employed professional. Pag-compute doon sa net taxable compensation income, gross compensation income, for example, meron kayong 900,000, kasama na lahat yon kapag sinabing gross compensation income. So, gross compensation income 900,000 for the whole year. Ibabawas dito yung mga non-taxable income like de minimis benefits. So, for example, merong 28,000. And then yung 13-month pay and other benefits not over 90,000, i-deduct din natin yon. So, for example, meron kayong 80,000 na 13-month pay and other benefits, so ibabawas natin yung 80,000. Pero kung 90,000 yan, ibabawas natin yung 90,000. Pero just in case, yung 13-month pay and other benefits yon ay 100,000. So, ang ibabawas lang natin is yung 90,000. So, yung 10,000 kasama po siya sa gross income, which is taxable. So, kung meron din kayong SSS, PhilHealth, and Pag-ibig employee share, so ibabawas din natin yun. For example, 45,000. So, total na non-taxable income is 153,000. So, kung i-minus natin yon sa gross compensation income na 900,000, so ang net taxable compensation income nyo ay 747,000. So, compute natin yan sa income tax calculator. So, kung sa business naman, you are an individual business owner or self-employed individual or self-employed professional, so kung meron kang gross taxable sales or taxable gross receipts na 3 million, so ibabawas natin yan yung allowable deduction cost of sales or yung mga direct cost niyo kapag may service business kayo, yun yung part of cost of sales. Yun yung mga direct cost. So, pag i-minus mo yan, gross sales or gross receipts, less allowable cost of sales, gross income or gross profit sa accounting. So, gross income, 2 million, less allowable deductible operating expenses. So, ibig sabihin yung mga expenses na related sa business, tsaka properly supported by official receipts and sales invoice ng mga suppliers. So, halimbawa, 350,000. So, ang net taxable income mo is 1,650,000. So, kung compute natin yan sa 2022 rates at 2023 income tax rate, so ganito po yun. So, yung 747,000 taxable compensation income, ang tax gamit ang old rates is 116,750. Pero kung gamit yung new rates starting January 1, 2023, ang tax na lang niya is 91,900. So, merong savings na 24,850. So, ang pag-compute dyan is 747,000 minus 400,000. Kaya, excess amount is 347,000. Multiply to 20%. Kasi bumaba na from 25%. So, merong tax on excess is 69,400. Then, merong fixed amount ngayon ng 22,500. Kaya, ang tax due is or payable is 91,000. Yung isang example naman natin ngayon for the business owners, individual business owners. Merong taxable income na 1,650,000. 1,650,000 minus 800,000. Merong excess amount na 850,000. So yung old rates multiply by 30%. So tax on excess is 255,000. So merong fixed amount na 130,000 kaya 385,000 yung tax due or payable using old rates. Ngayon, using the January 1, 2023 rates, income tax rate, so 1,650,000 minus 800,000, yung excess amount is 850,000. So, multiply to 25% instead of 30%, kaya meron siyang 212,500 para sa tax on excess. Plus the fixed amount of 102,000, kaya ang tax due or tax payable niya ngayon is 315,000 compared to 385,000. So, bumaba ngayon ng 70,000. So, kung i-discuss natin yung buong level, so sa 400,000 level na taxable income, so merong 30,000 na tax due or tax payable. Compared sa new rates, 22,500, kaya merong 7,500 ang ibinaba. So, doon sa 8 million taxable income for the whole year, using the old rates, mayroong 2,410,000 tax due or tax payable. Pero sa using new rates, 2,202,500 yung tax sa 8 million. So, bumaba ng 207,500. Or, gawin natin 12 million yan. Ang tax niya is 3,810,000 using the old rate. Pero, using the new rate starting January 1, 2023, 3,602,500. Kaya mayroong ibinaba na 207,500. Yan po yung sa annual income tax. So kung gusto niyo mag-avail ito sa annual income tax calculator na to, at saka itong Excel template na to ng withholding tax calculator, daily, weekly, semi-monthly, at monthly, you can register the link below para ma-send yung Excel template na to. Ang regular price nito is 990. So, ang discounted price ngayon is only 490 for the first 100 na mag-avail.